And the government has reassured residents living around the proposed Grand Falls Dam project in Kitui and Tharaka-Nithi counties of transparency and public participation as preparations for the multi-billion shilling project gather pace. Energy Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi, while visiting the site, noted that once completed, the dam will not only enhance food security and power generation, but also serve as a major water storage facility for both domestic and industrial use.
The proposed dam is expected to span two constituencies, Mwingi North in Kitui County and Tharaka constituency in Tharaka-Nithi County. Once completed, the project is projected to bring far-reaching benefits to both local communities and the wider region.
We have had a plan for many years as government to develop a multi-purpose dam here. The famous High Grand Falls Dam. That will, of course, address many issues, including flooding downstream and facilitate irrigation, but more critically, generate power.
The project is also expected to play a critical role in flood control, particularly in the lower Tana River Basin, which has historically suffered devastating floods during periods of heavy rainfall. Wandayi further assured residents that public participation forums will be conducted once all preparatory work is complete. He said the consultations will provide an opportunity for affected communities to raise concerns as the government works out fair compensation mechanisms for those who may be displaced.
We are working very closely, of course, with KenGen, which is the lead agency in this project, the local communities, led by their elected leaders, and many other government agencies and departments.
Nduta Mokami for Prime Edition.